Today we focus on the list of Kenyan celebrities who actually sell Roscoco for a living, and actually now they are very big celebrities. Auntie Mado, Miss Angela. This girl was actually in Kenyatta University as a first year when people realized her big behind. That's good creation actually. But of course, she used that as an advantage to get money. So she started sending videos online of her showing the big butt, and at the end of the day, she is actually having one of the biggest links in the sexual send content. I'm talking about the OnlyFans and other links that you don't know, including Telegram. When now the blogger started leaking her videos, she actually bought a G-Wagon, and she says that it's that job that brings her a living. Auntie Mado, a second year student in Kenyatta University. Alicia Kanini, actually the most known porn actor in Kenya. She does it openly, and she actually feels proud to be doing porn vlogging. Alicia Kanini actually has money because of this. She has direct pages, direct links, and also our channels in Telegram where your old men, per se, everybody in Kenya, Muso, those men who wants to see good things. She is actually very rich because of that, Alicia Kanini. Next in the line is Shakila. Shakila came famous because of speculating that she had slept with different celebrities, actually, very powerful and prominent men. By the time people came to realize that she was just chasing clout, she had already made a brand out of it. And actually, she now became tolerating those guys. And as you talk now, Shakila is not in Kenya. She lives outside Kenya, very rich actually. Who knows that she was carried by a rich man and they went out of Kenya? Not sure. But speculation says that she's living a good life despite the hard life she was living in Kenya. That's Shakila for you. Next in the line is Cheryl Anyango. She became famous during the COVID-19 period where we could all go to Instagram lives for Stian Della to check idol girls shaking their nyash. She actually became very controversial because she could even go ahead and use cucumbers just as Shakila. She got a lot of money because of doing that and actually got to date rich men. For example, Ogobina, of which they came to break up because she said she got a rich mzungu that could not match Ogobina. She's now in outside Kenya trying to study, as she says, and also making life for herself. She has built for her parents, she has a lot of money. And that is the celebrities that sell Roscoco in Kenya. Do you feel is a trend in this world that girls come out, do their dirty business, and at the end of the day they go to church and say, I want to be born again after all this because they have already achieved and have money? Will we call that dirty money because they get that money in dirty ways? Or at the end of the day, will we say it's their luck? Subscribe to DP Online TV as we talk more.